ocean while sailing across the sea. Think of handsome Molly with her virginity. Sailing across the ocean while sailing across the sea.
Are we going to the LFS block party in Bellingham? You're gonna win a dinghy, but then you're gonna sell it?
Yeah, I want to get rich.
What if the dinghy is better than the dinghy that we have? We're leaving the marina and we're gonna go to Bellingham. So they're supposed to have, Dad was saying crab cakes, salmon cakes, and hot dogs. I think they said they bought 1,000 hot dogs. That's so many hot dogs. All right, so our goal right now is to find parking. We can't park, that's the normal LFS area.
They have
a game, yeah. So let's go in here. This is the block party. All right. All right, they got a crosswalk. Look at all the people. Very popular. Are they the same?
Yeah.
Okay. It smells like a blueberry. What is it?
It is blueberry lemon.
Blueberry lemon? Yes. I'll take it. Wow, thank you, sir. That's gorgeous.
Cinnamon roll?
You got the catch and the finish, Charlie. Remember that.
That's literally all it is this trip, the catch and the finish. To go back to the catch, with your arms out, body over. Oh, no legs. And now legs. There we go, and now you have to catch again. Now to go to the finish, we go legs, the body, and then body, and then arms.
So I have.
He's a natural.
Arms out, body over, legs, legs,
And I do have a good
body, and
I know not to go
arms.
this way.
There we go. Legs. I think you got it.
But I wore a
Go, arms, body, legs,
heart
legs, body, arms. And then just do that like 50,000 more times, and you'll be a great rower.
Good job, Charlie.
It just works tremendous. And then you just refill it. And then just put it back in line and spin this back on. It's
And how much is this filter?
149.
And there's two.
Do you want it?
I'll put it in your bag.
Okay.
You can have it. Alright, I got a nappies.
Nabby. Nab can take a nap.
That's called a bow thruster.
We got one?
We don't have a bow thruster.
It is 320 amp hours at 57 pounds. And I'm going to weigh this one more time. Now, if you're watching this wondering, if you own a Beneteau 423, and you're wondering where to put your distributor and stuff, a lot of this can be relocated. So it's not here, so this can be the switches just going to what it needs to go to and not so static. And we are ready to send power from here to 13.4. So we could operate the windlass right now. It's at 13.